Good morning, this is Miss Collins. I'm going to be talking to you a little bit real quickly about how to submit your papers in Blackboard. So as you know by now, everything is under course content. So you're going to click there, and the first assignment you're going to submit is summary. So let's look at that one. So once you click in there and you open the actual summary assignment, you're going to click here. And then this screen is going to come up, and down here at the bottom, so scrolling down, you've got a couple of choices. So the first one is Write Submission, so you can click on that and a dialog text box comes up. For papers, this is not the best way to submit, so just ignore the Write Submission. If you're doing a quick response or something like that, it would be a better place to copy and paste in. You also have down here Add Comments. Do not put your paper down here either. This is where you can say to me, "Hey, Miss Collins, hope you're having a great day. I really learned a lot from the summary assignment. Peace." So this is just a place for you to let me know if there's something in particular you want me to look at when I grade your paper, or if you just want to say hi. So of course what you're going to be doing is you're going to be using the attach files method. Blackboard will read Word. It will not read is Pages, the one that comes with the Mac. So if you have a MacBook, you're going to have to somehow finagle it to where your documents are in Word or in something else that Blackboard will read. So you may use cloud storage or a content collection. Most commonly would be Browse My Computer. Then you're going to go to your documents and you're going to select your paper. And then you're going to open that, and then boom, there it's going to be. And then you're just going to scroll down here in the corner that I can't really see because of my video box. And you're going to click Submit. And then that will get your paper submitted, and you'll be ready to go, and I'll be ready to give you all of my awesome content responses. So you will get in-line responses, and I'll send a video out from Blackboard on how to get in there and look at those in-line comments. So as always, email me, call me if you've got questions or if something's not working, and I'll do my best to help. Have a great day. Bye.